It's time for the Alphabet Human Show. What a great hit! Wait, what did I just hit? What hit? Okay. Hit. Oh my God! I figure out Ivor's problem. Hey, hit. What's wrong, Jay? Hit. What's that hic sound? The hic sound means you have this called the hiccups. What? Hic? Yes, you have hiccups. Can we get a C and A? Yeah. You don't have to grab them now. Hey, CNA, Jay has the hiccups.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
Yeah, I really wouldn't want to get the hiccups. What should we do?
I know, I have an idea.
What is it?
That sounds like a great idea, eh?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Hey, Jay, you want to come over here in the corner with us?
Yeah, nothing scary.
Yes! Oh no, it's a spider! Oh!
Boo! Did it work?
No.
Oh no!
I know what the best idea is. Drinking a glass of water. Oh yeah, I'm just going to go get a glass of water. Yeah,
That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah, let's all go have a nice glass of water.
Okay.
Do you feel better, Jay?
No.
Oh no, man, those hiccups aren't gone. What should we try next?
Let's try holding your breath for 60 seconds. Okay. 1 minute later. The 60 seconds is up. Let's see if that worked.
Oh, it didn't work. It didn't work.
I know what the best idea is. What about standing on your head for 10 minutes?
Standing on your head? I can do that forever. Whoa. Nope, guess not. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Jay. You can do it. Do it, Jay. Do it, Jay.
Is it working? Is it working?
Oh,
Do you feel any better?
yeah, I think the hiccups are gone.
Hooray! Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Oh. Do we have everybody? We do.
Okay.
Can we go have a party now?
Yeah.
Yay!
The